everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing great. Today, as आपने जैसा कि टॉपिक से पढ़ ही लिया होगा, टाइटल से पढ़ ही लिया होगा कि I will be talking about detox tea. So हम लोगों की लाइफस्टाइल अब ऐसी हो गई है ना कि we eat a lot of junk, we don't do as much physical exercises as our parents used to do. So इस sedentary lifestyle में और not very good sort of eating habits में detox tea really helps. So मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट पिच अराउंड कुछ दिन पहले से स्टार्ट किया था एंड इट वाज डेफिनेटली अ वेरी गुड आइडिया बिकॉज मुझे काफ़ी चीज़ें इसमें अच्छी लगी लाइक व्हेन आई यूज्ड इट. It definitely helps in your digestion and metabolism. So, a lot of problems like constipation, bloating, flatulence, gas. तो ये सब चीज़ें I think it has definitely helped me with. So, if you also want to know about this magical product, then please keep on watching this video until the end. All right. So the particular product that I'm talking about today is this amazing tea. This is the detox tea by this brand called Sukh Tea. It is a 30-day sort of a pack, and it's made in India. It is gluten free. It is made with natural antioxidants, and there is no sort of chemicals or anything which is unnatural as an ingredient put into this. So I think it's very good that way. आप सोच रहे होंगे कि इतनी सारी चीज़ें सिर्फ एक चाय से ये कैसे हो सकता है. So okay, let me take you and show you the actual product. So this is what the actual product looks like. The packaging is quite nice. It's a tin box which can be reused. It opens and there's a whole sachet which is filled with the product, and basically the product also gives a spoon. तो बेसिक अराउंड आपको कैसे बनाना है कि 1-1.5 कप पानी के अंदर उबलते हुए पानी में आपको 1 चम्मच ये टी डालनी है, एंड जब ये अच्छे से बॉईल हो जाए इसको अच्छे से आप स्ट्रेन करके एंड इसको गरम पीजिए. वैसे तो इसमें चाहे तो हनी या जैगरी भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, बट बिकॉज ये वेट लॉस के लिए मैं यूज़ कर रही थी तो आई जस्ट अवॉइडेड इट. सो आप चाहें तो वो डाल सकते हैं. नाउ दिस particular product is made with a lot of good ingredients which are very healthy, and we have been hearing about it from so long. I think हमारे घर के बड़ों से हम सुनते आए हैं. But I'll tell you a few of these ingredients which are oolong tea, kali ilaichi, black cardamom, clove which is long, jaifal, mulethi, javitri, licorice, chakri phool, and so many other ingredients like this. So you can imagine this is like a power packed product full of natural ingredients and herbs which are very good for your immune system, digestive system, your metabolism and what all. So मुझे इसके साथ definitely बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ है. And also this pack comes with 3 different flavors of tea, which is one is the moringa tea, the other is mint tea, and the third is chamomile tea. जैसा कि आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, chamomile tea बहुत ही रिफ्रेशिंग होती है. It's relishing in flavor, and it is very rejuvenating in its taste and everything. So I think it should be a fantastic choice. Moringa tea is something that I heard for the first time. I had no idea about it. It says that it will relax your mind and body and make you feel fresh and energetic. So I'm gonna definitely try this out. This particular tea also consists of moringa, cardamom, long pepper, licorice, and fennel that is soft, and cinnamon. So definitely very good ingredients. And the last but not the least is the mint tea, which is our very regular pudina chai. तो I think ये तो बहुत ही refreshing होगी anyways. If you are interested in buying this product, you will find the link to it in the description box. You can also use this code right here to get 20% discount on this packaging. एंड मैं तो जा रही हूँ अपना डिटॉक्स टी पीने. आपसे मैं मिलूँगी नेक्स्ट टाइम. Until then, bye bye, take care.